We don't see it that way. We actually see it the opposite, which is the big question forever has been, is this real? And if it's real, is it going to be banned? The deniers said this wasn't real. And of course, they're being discredited as the administration and Congress and regulators embrace Bitcoin. And the skeptics have always said, well, it's real. It's better than gold, but it's so good. It's too good to be true. And the government's going to ban it. So if the deniers are wrong, and if the skeptics are wrong, and it's pretty obvious they're both wrong at this point, it's not going to zero. And if it's not going to zero, it's going to 1 million.
Since Bitcoin began its free fall to $20,000, there's been a lot of FUD about Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy getting liquidated. No thanks to the media, who have been spreading a lot of misinformation about a margin call on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin-backed loan with Silvergate Bank. In this video, we are going to be looking at some of the facts. With Bitcoin down to only $22,400 even after recovering slightly since yesterday when it fell to a record high of $20,800, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment is now at a $1,260 million unrealized loss. That's a lot of money for a company with over 129,000 Bitcoins. Now, if MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings get liquidated all at once, we all know how tragic it is going to be for the already troubled market. Prices could fall below $5,000. But before they go that low, many retail investors, as well as corporations that hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets, will be forced to join the sell-off, which will mean more horrific price declines. Before we fully get into the video, please take a little time to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Also, don't forget to drop your comments, thoughts, and observations in the comment section. The whole crypto market is down with a market cap of $949 billion. We know you have made some terrible losses in this horrific crash. So let us know how you are doing by dropping those comments below. Is there any chance that MicroStrategy is going to get liquidated, say before the week ends? The answer is no. So far, there is very little evidence to suggest that MicroStrategy is suddenly going to go belly up and take down the whole crypto market. Let's begin with the now infamous margin call. According to Bankrate, a margin call occurs when the value of securities in a brokerage account falls below a certain level known as the maintenance margin, requiring the account holder to deposit additional cash or securities to meet the margin requirements. About 2 months ago, one of MicroStrategy's subsidiaries took a Bitcoin-backed loan to purchase more Bitcoin. As part of the agreement between the two firms, MicroStrategy will be required to deposit additional cash or securities if Bitcoin drops to $21,000. The coin went below that figure briefly on Monday, but there has been no news about such deposits. In addition, during the analytics firm's earnings call on May 3, the new chief financial officer, Fonla, told investors that MicroStrategy would not need to put more funds to meet up with the margin requirements. Instead, MicroStrategy will be using some of its remaining Bitcoin as collateral. So essentially, Bitcoin needs to cut in half or around $21,000 before we would have a margin call. That said, before it gets to 50%, we could contribute more Bitcoin to the collateral package, so it never gets there, it was said. The first margin call will come at half the price of MicroStrategy's average entry position of $42,000. But the firm only needs to put up more Bitcoin as collateral. Even at its current price, MicroStrategy's overall Bitcoin holding is almost $3 billion. So the company has enough Bitcoin to put up as collateral. It can even take a new Bitcoin-backed loan if it so wishes. In May, Saylor also noted that Bitcoin would need to fall to around $3,500 before the firm runs out of Bitcoin to back its loan. Here is a tweet from the American entrepreneur and investor. MicroStrategy has a $205 million term loan and needs to maintain $410 million as collateral. MicroStrategy has 115,109 Bitcoin that it can pledge. If the price of Bitcoin falls below $3,562, the company could post some other collateral. We still have a long way to go before MicroStrategy runs out of Bitcoin to back up the loan. Even if Bitcoin drops to those levels, Saylor says the company will look for other means to get the collateral. However, the chances that Bitcoin will drop to such levels are quite unimaginable and pretty slim. Here is a more recent tweet from Michael Saylor. In Bitcoin, we trust. Saylor also has a new laser eye profile picture on Twitter. He's sticking with us, and we probably still have a small fighting chance before we really need to get those resumes to McDonald's. Let's take a quick look at the crypto market. As of press time, Bitcoin is now trading at $21,356. It has lost over 11% of its price in 24 hours and over 23% within the last 7 days. Bitcoin prices have not been this low since December 2020. But the coin's market dominance is also strengthening compared to what it looked like previously. From around 40%, Bitcoin's dominance is now around 45%. Ethereum has also lost almost 30% in a week and around 7% in 24 hours. The native token is currently exchanging hands at $1,118. Surprisingly, Cardano is not following the trend. The Layer 1 token has gained over 11% in 24 hours, with a lower loss of 12% in the past week. It is currently trading at $0.51. The stablecoin economy is also holding stable, making up around 17% of the overall crypto market cap. Solana has also gained around 13% and is only $2 shy of Sunday's prices. The native token is currently trading at $29. Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, XRP, and Dogecoin are also showing signs of recovery from Monday's crash, but Bitcoin and Ethereum remain in the red. The S&P index also continues to trade down, losing around 4% today. On Monday, the index officially confirmed that the stock market is in a bear market. What do you think about these trends in MicroStrategy's liquidation rumors? Please drop your comments and observations below and ensure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching.